Morning, everyone. Welcome to McBoss Capital live stream here. I'm Michael Chu. It's March 25th, Wednesday, 2026, 9:22 a.m. Mountain Time, past 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Nasdaq is up 0.69%, Dow is up 0.9%, S&P is up 0.8, and Nasdaq volume is slightly higher at this moment, and NYSE volume is lower. Um, so I think the market is up mainly due to the news that there was a plan sent to Iran about for in regards to some sort of agreement to peace. I think that was the main reason. So so that's where we are, and so a lot of stocks are up today. And just seeing here any other news. So yeah, oil price is down back to 87.30 for WTI. So that's the main reason. Let's go look at the index here. Let's go with QQQ, go to daily chart. So here we are. This morning we did bounce back to the 10-day. Once again, we are being pushed back down from there. So that is continue to be a problem. We are seeing resistance at the 10-day. That is the biggest problem. So okay, so we are coming back down right now. You see how we came back down really fast. So we are getting resistance, near the 10-day, based on the daily chart here. So that is a big problem. So yeah, we are not clear of any downtrend yet. We're still pretty much, still having the 10 days resistance right now. So that is the biggest problem. Go to SPY, same thing here, very similar. We are seeing resistance near the 10-day and also coincide with the black line 200-day. Once again, we can't pass the 10-day here. And we easily come down to the intraday lows here as well. So overall today, it's not that good of a day just because of that. And same thing here. Look at the bounce here intraday on Dow and just no power. We are back down at the bottom of the range. And daily chart, same thing. We are getting resistance at the 10-day and the black line here as well. So they're all below 200 day. So that is not a big problem, right? So let's go to Russell. Russell, it did surpass the 10-day yesterday. Today, we came to the 21-day and we are kind of slightly below it right now. So it's just stuck between 10 and 21 day right now. So this one looks the healthiest so far because it's still above 10-day. But again, it did find resistance this morning at the upper trend here. But overall, this is slightly better, right? But yeah, still hard to tell whether this will continue. But at this moment, it looks like the uptrend is still pretty strong. Um, at least based on the bottom channel line. But again, we still have the downtrend line from the 21 day. So that is the problem here. All right, so given the index are still pretty poor, let's go look at stocks on the move and see how they're doing. Let's see here. So we'll look at stock. So we have TSCM here. They're still they're definitely doing really well, TSCM. Let me just quickly go to my Excel here on the tech side. Um, so we see AMD, Dell, those are doing well. Marvel, TSCM, VIAV, so those are still doing well. Let's take a look at TSCM. Here you go. This is a very strong uptrend. The 10 days just pretty much like 70-degree angle is really sharp uptrend right now. So this is in the chip area. Um, and then we have others. Dell is also doing really well. Let's take a quick look. That's Here we are. Dell is also very strong, steep 10-day moving average right now. So those are two that's doing really well. Yeah. And let's keep going here. We have Air. Air reported, I believe, and bounced pretty hard, gap up, breaking out right now. This is making new high at this moment. So this is an aerospace defense area. Let me go to my list here. We have Cohere, ESC, GLW, that's doing well. We have STRL, TEL, WRT, WOB. So quite a few, industrial in general is doing pretty well. Let's take a look at VRT first. This is also making new high. Let me take out my markups. It's been trading very tight recently, but kind of just sideways movement. It did make a newer low yesterday, but today we're able to. It did close at the top too, so that's a good thing, I think. Yeah, and then today we came out. So yeah, so yesterday we reversed and came back all the way, and this is a very strong momentum right now. So that's the VRT, and then we can look at GLW as well. So this one is starting to move back up, looking pretty good. Nice move yesterday, high volume. Today looks like volume is there again to support this fall through. So it looks really good. Let's keep going here. Yeah, HP is also doing well. EQNR, so I mean the gas area, oil and gas area, um, today none of them show up, but let's just quickly take a look. Because there's a few stocks that are doing really well. So first one is E. This one is bouncing today. Oil and gas integrated. This is an Italian company. And then we have EQNR. This one is also bouncing, so looks pretty good. Whether it will come back up, hard to say. This is Norwegian company. So those are two that's doing well. Um, let's see, a PAC. I haven't looked at much health. Not many health stocks show up on the stocks on the move, but this is one that show up and it tries to break out this morning. It did reverse slightly, um, so it's not too bad. Um, just just still holding on to most of the some gains here. So we'll see how it closed today. We have Marvel. We talk about that. VIAV, ESE. Again, there's some. Uh, some of the gold stocks are still trying to bounce. Let me go to gold price here. So today gold price is bouncing a little bit here. Actually quite a bit, 3%. So that's a strong move actually. So following through with yesterday's move, and then silver also bouncing too. So yeah, so gold and silver stocks are definitely bouncing, but they're very low, right, at the below the 10 days. So some of them are coming closer to 10-day. So you can see some of the KGC, PAS, SSRM, all the stocks show up. WPM. Uh, we have AEM, AGI, AG, and AU that was on stocks in the move earlier. So so yeah, but like I said, it's still in a downtrend from my perspective. Um, we have reset TSM, Fastly. That's pretty much it. Yeah, let's look at Fastly. It's a really strong stock. This is software enterprise. Yesterday software stocks got hit, so it came back. But look where it closed yesterday in the middle range. So there's lots of support for this stock. Fastly is doing really well. Let's see if I missed anything. Financials, I didn't see. I mean, yesterday was a good day for financials, but the financials usually don't make it on stocks on the move as much, just because they've been, you know, been kind of selling off so far this year. Retail, we see that DAL. Let's take a quick look on that one, and you can see it past the red line. It's looking really strong right now on the uptrend. Thank you all for watching. Have a very good day. Bye now.